Hello! In this video I'm going to give you 6 hacks for SRAM EXS. These are simple ones, but for beginners. First of all, my English is not perfect. I will try it. For those who don't speak English, you can turn on the subtitles. Hack 1. How to shift. This is common for the most cyclists, but it might not for everyone. One click on the left shifter is a lower shift on the rear derailleur. One click on the right shifter is a higher shift on the rear derailleur. Pressing the right and the left shifter at the same time is it to the inner chainring, and when you do this again, you go to the outer chainring. Hack 2. Adjust rear derailleur. To adjust the rear derailleur, you need to do this with the shifters. Hold down the button on the inside and press the shifter to shift. If you do this with the left shifter, the rear derailleur moves a little bit lower and it goes to the left side. When you do this to the right shifter, the derailleur moves at least to a higher level. It goes to the right. Every step is a little bit to adjust your rear derailleur. Hack 3. Battery check. You will find a button on the inside of the shifters, on the side of the front and the rear derailleur. Press it once. There is a light next to the button. When the light shows green, the battery lasts from 50 to 60 hours. When the light is red, 6 to 15 hours. Flashing white for less than 6 hours. Hack 4. Shifting without a shifter. Shifter has a malfunction. It makes it possible to shift. If you still want to shift your gears, you can use the button on the rear and the front derailleur. Rear derailleur, clicking once is higher, clicking twice is lower. For the front derailleur, you have one click for inner and outer chainring. Hack 5. Change the batteries. This can be easy when one battery is empty and you still want to shift with your gears. When a battery is empty, you can change the batteries. Unclip both batteries and swap them. Hack 6. Charging. Lift the cover and remove the battery. Please note, this one falls right out. Grab the charger and flip the batteries. Click the battery into the charger. This can only be done in one way. Connect the charger to the adapter. When the battery is empty, the charger gives an orange light. When the battery is full, the charger will glow green.
1 hour later.
Charging taking about 60 minutes average. Remove the battery and snap it back into the rear derailleur or the front derailleur. Snap the cover back and secure the battery. Thanks for watching. Do you like the video? Subscribe on my YouTube channel. I see you later. Bye.